Cambodia. Child, listen now. We are back again with my brother, 10%. You know, that's my brother, bro. This channel, we see 10% as our brother. You know what I'm saying? I know some we got elders. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, man. Today I'll be reacting to 10%. He dropped like 6 songs in a row, but there's no captions yet. You know what I'm saying? Of course, that's my brother, so I gotta react to him. You know what I'm saying? Starting with the song Champion. Champion. Let's get it.
Khơi khmên đã tay cái sầu hoa khom riêng để lo đầm ray yêu chầm này first spiên tay trong tôi khơi nằm rồi bả liên chập vô đầm tray cái chân một first spiên
I'm lucky gonna heard that. I don't get to see what is it about. I'm still gonna just listen to what I'm gonna once the captions come. I'm gonna check it out. I know tips that always sing stuff that makes sense.
ได้เนี่ยก็ไม่ได้ปลัวว่าในอักษรนะได้สิทวีสู้อนาคตนั้นเลิศได้วิญญาณยังตรายปลัวว่าเนี่ยจะสำรวจว่าเนี่ยจะสมบูรณ์ผู้ยังตรายยงแน่จงจิตตาเยิงเหมือนนายตะบังเปรี้ยเมียนไงเล็กก็เป็นเมียนไงเรียว่าเนี่ยจองเล่งเล่นน้ำใบชเนียว่าเนี่ยบาราใจบานเปียโยเนี่ยแต่ยังเด้งจับได้สมัยตัวเดินทวีฟ้าตัวเดินทวีมันฟันโดยจุดเปียกแค่ทางนี่ชื่อเรื่องปัดมันแม่นชื่อเรื่องนิตินี่มันแม่นชีวิตแม่สมเด็จสาม
You know when he say, you know what this give that? You know the song Love Chase, bro. Give the same vibe. Oh, he got that chain that's 917. I think that's one of his album. It might be the second or the third, or maybe that's maybe the more successful album. I think.
Đi con lai đã mình thốt màuត្រូវផ្ដាំសារថ្មីក៏មិនຕົកសោកអោមកហាច់តាតាំងពីផ្ទះមកសេចក្ដីខ្លួនអញបានដួលក្រោកចិត្តធំចេញក្រៅទាំងណាមេក្តៅចង់ដើរផ្សងព្រេងក៏មកជីវិតបោកបៀមຕົកយ៉ាងណាក៏នៅតែទ្រាំព្រោះចិត្តចង់រកលុយតាំងពីក្មេងទឹកភ្នែកស្រកចោះអាណិតខ្លួនឯង300 kilometers ខ្ញុំត្រូវខំសាងដំណើរ
Maybe let's try to refresh. Bro, this guy is like maybe the lyrics are there. Let's refresh. You know, this guy is like, you know, if you ever like hear an artist, it's like you don't really hear what is he saying, but like you can't just kind of understand what is he saying. And like, you know, do you know what I'm saying?
ទីកន្លែងដែលមិនធ្លាប់មកត្រូវផ្ដាំសារថ្មីក៏មិនຕົកសោកអោមកហាច់តាតាំងពីផ្ទះមកសេចក្ដីខ្លួនអញបានដួលក្រោកចិត្តធំចេញក្រៅទាំងណាមេក្តៅចង់ដើរផ្សងព្រេងក៏មកជីវិតបៀមຕົកយ៉ាងណាក៏នៅតែទ្រាំព្រោះចិត្តចង់រកលុយតាំងពីក្មេងទឹកភ្នែកស្រកចោះអាណិតខ្លួនឯង300 kilometers ខ្ញុំត្រូវខំសាងដំណើរដល់ដីថ្មីគ្មានអ្នកគេស្គាល់ត្រូវកសាងគេឈ្មោះចាំងចែងលើលោកនេះមិនមែនលំបាកតែឯងលទ្ធផលនឹងតបស្នងស្ដាយស្ដាយបើសិនជាអ្នកខំប្រឹងឈរជើងឲ្យមាននំណៅមួយច្បាស់ដូចក្តឹងភាពក្រលំបាកខ្ញុំហឹងជីវិតគ្មាន control អល់យើងជាម្ចាស់កប៉ាល់ខ្ញុំប្រាសំលេងវាយភ្លេងដូចជាអ្នកបដាល់គ្មានឧបសគ្គណាអាចធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំចាល់ជីវិតនេះខ្ញុំរលេងបលលេងដូចជាបាល់ខ្ញុំជាក្មេងម្នាក់ដែលខុសពីគេជួយចិត្តយកឧបករណ៍
I wish can be different, but this is not like how I like to act. I do not like to fake. I'm also religious like this family, right? This is beautiful, bro.
ចូលឧបករណ៍ភ្លេងយកមកលេងទូអ្នកដតីគេមើលមកខ្ញុំឃើញផ្សេងតែនេះគឺជាខ្ញុំមិនជួយចិត្តសំដែងមិនជួយចិត្តខ្លាញ់ខ្លាយជួយចិត្តសាសនាដែរឲ្យគ្រូសា surprise នេះជាការពិតខ្ញុំមិនដោះស្លាប់តែខ្ញុំនឹងហោះឲ្យបានឆ្ងាយមានគេសើចមានគេយំព្រោះជីវិតខ្ញុំទុកនៅលើដៃរបស់ខ្ញុំជាអ្នកអមជើងរបស់ខ្ញុំចង់ដើរស្រេចតែខ្ញុំគ្រួសារគ្មានលុយដុំតែខ្ញុំអ្នកបង្កើតលុយដល់ខ្លួនឯងម៉ាក់ប៉ាខ្ញុំបង្រៀនកូនហើយឲ្យប្រឹងប្រែងជីវិតខ្លួនឯងកុំពឹងលើអ្នកដទៃប្រយ័ត្នណាពាក្យសម្ដីនិយាយច្រើនវាគ្មានន័យខ្ញុំគឺជាក្មេងម្នាក់ដែលជួយចិត្តសមាសម័យចង់គេស្គាល់ឈ្មោះទេពិសិដ្ឋតាមរយៈតន្ត្រីចង់ខ្លាចទៅជាកវីដែលមានសិទ្ធិសេរីភាពពេញលេញចង់ខ្លាចទៅជាមនុស្សដែលចងចាំមិនអាចដកចេញ No one supporting me and no one believing me I just want to say fuck you cause I need nobody I come here for fight មិនមែនមកព្រៀបផ្ដួលជីវិតនេះមានច្រើនដំណាក់កាលណាស់មិនមែនស្រួល This is the message for you all
That's fact. Did you hear what he say? Well, there's a time we used English. That was actually dope. I like that.
ចំណុចខ្សោយមិនត្រូវបានបង្ហាញមានតែភាពក្លាហានក៏មិនអាចទៅដល់ប្រើគោចំហខ្លួនឲ្យបានរឹងមាំប្រើចំណេះបញ្ជារាងកាយធ្វើវាមួយតើដិតដល់ឬអ្នកគិតថាខ្ញុំមិនអនាគតខ្ញុំជាអ្នកសម្រាប់ទូរំលងមិនអបសាខ្ញុំតែប្រាប់ខ្លួនឯងថាវាមិនណៃទេខ្ញុំមិនខកពីព្រោះសំដីលំពីលេជីវិតខ្ញុំអ្នកសម្រេចមិនមែនសម្រេចលើមាត់គេហៅខ្ញុំមកក្មេងលេខ1ណាបត់ខ្ញុំអត់ថប់ឃើញទេពេលនេះខ្ញុំស៊ីដេកលេងព្រោះខ្ញុំចាំបិទមាត់ពូននេះសោះណាធុញទ្រាន់នឹងជីវិតខ្ញុំធ្វើໄວមិនទាន់ស្គាល់ខ្ញុំពុកកុំមួនសន្មត់ក៏របៀបសំដីគ្រប់យ៉ាងដែលអ្នកឃើញសិតតែខ្ញុំកំណត់គេហៅខ្ញុំមកក្មេងលេខ1ណាបត់ខ្ញុំអត់ថប់ពេលនេះខ្ញុំស៊ីដេកលេងព្រោះខ្ញុំចាំបិទមាត់ពូននេះសោះធុញទ្រាន់នឹងជីវិតខ្ញុំធ្វើໄວមិនទាន់ស្គាល់ខ្ញុំពុកកុំមួនសន្មត់ក៏របៀបសំដីគ្រប់យ៉ាងដែលអ្នកឃើញសិតតែខ្ញុំកំណត់
I swear, I feel like the lyrics gonna come. I don't think we should react to all the songs. I think I should just wait until the lyrics come, bro. Cause I feel like this is really like important, bro. Oh yeah, I think okay. By tomorrow, if he doesn't put like the subtitles, yeah, I think like this is like really important, bro. Like these songs. I think I should wait until he drops the lyrics for this. Cause I feel like this is the way I actually would get to like learn about. Cause like just look at the title of the songs. Like Champion Boy. Like you just know that he was saying stuff that makes sense, you know? And he said this one is 30 notes, just for like, then this is the life journey, and then this is the first experience. I think we should wait until we get the lyrics, bro. Like I was really excited for this. But with no lyrics, I feel like it wouldn't make that much sense, you know? Chad, don't worry. Once he drops the lyrics, I'll react. I'll just make one video and I'm gonna wait for this. Chad, I'm gonna end that. No, I'm gonna wait until he drops the subtitles. Once he drops the English subtitles, I'm gonna react to it, bro. It's okay. I'm not worried about the views, bro. Even how late we are, bro. It's okay. I'm listening for this to enjoy myself and not interpret, bro. Even if I wouldn't get that much views because it's gonna be late, but that's okay. I want to understand, you know. I just don't want to react to like, you know what I'm saying, just shake my head, you know. But I want to know what is he saying. So at least now, it's your first time. Make sure you click that like, sub up, and let me know what's your next. Peace. Hey, stay tuned now for the reaction for this whole thing, this whole 4 songs. I think you probably drop it by I would say by tomorrow. He doesn't take that long, bro. That's probably because I'm too early. That's why the lyrics are not there yet. Peace.